आज हम देखेंगे इस वीडियो में वेरी शॉर्ट एसे ऑन इंडिपेंडेंस डे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। माय नेम इज अर्पित। टुडे इज इंडिपेंडेंस डे ऑफ आवर कंट्री। It is the national festival of India. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. On 15th August 1947, India got freedom from British rule. Many freedom fighters had sacrificed their life for achieving it. We should be grateful to our freedom fighters. On this day, we pay honor to our brave freedom fighters Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, Khudiram Bose, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others who sacrificed their lives for our country. Independence Day teaches us the real value of freedom and liberty. Independence is the celebration of our freedom. On this day, we hoist the national flag. We feel proud to see our national flag flying high in the sky. Independence Day is a day to be proud for our country and its achievement. वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।